Hi, welcome to Coding Topic. In this video, I will teach you how to handle a page not found error in ASP.NET MVC with C Sharp. From this page to this page. So let's get started. I will create a new project. So I will click a new project. Then uh, I will find ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework. I will select it. Then I will click the next button. Then I will rename the project name to page not found. Then I will click the button, create button. Then I will click the create button again. And now the new project has been created. So I will close this tab and open the Solution Explorer. So I will click this, the Solution Explorer. And then I will click the controllers folder. And I will open this file, homecontroller.cs. Now in this file, I'll I will create a new action result for page not found. So page not found, return view. So the next step is to add a view for this action method, page not found. So I will right click on this method name, page not found. I will right click and I will click the add view and I will click the add button. Then I will click the add button again. So now the view has been created. I will change these codes. Then I will need to create this folder called images. So I will open the Solution Explorer. Then I will click this folder, content folder. I will open this. Then I will need to right click this content folder and select add, then new folder. Then I will change the name of this folder to images. Then the next step is to include this image PNG file, page not found. So I will include it. Then I will run this project. So the last step is to include the custom errors tag in web config file. So I will close this browser and I will open the Solution Explorer. Then I will open this file web.config. Then inside here in system.web tag, I will include the custom errors tag. Then I will save it. I will click this button, save all. Then I will run the project. Now I will try to access a page that does not exist. So /123, I will press enter and the page not found is now working. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more videos.